Hello, and welcome to this short overview of Actus performance software. Actus is designed to help embed year-round conversations, objective setting, and measurements, together with one-to-one checks. It fully supports remote working or face-to-face conversations. It provides increased visibility, focus, alignment of objectives. It helps with employee engagement and thus reduces turnover. Furthermore, it professionalizes performance management and supports those honest conversations, helping to address any issues arising early. Ultimately, it removes paper, saves time spent on associated administration, and moves away from appraisals becoming a once a year tick box exercise. We have designed 3 ready-to-go packages which are suitable for clients with up to 75 employees. As they mature, they have the option of starting with one, our Enable package, for example, which provides a simple, intuitive performance management system, and maybe move into our Engage package, which supplements that with more detailed objectives, development, training need records, or our premium package Empower, which also enables more customization, 360 feedback, and well-being surveys. I'm now going to walk you through our system to give you a brief overview. When you log in, you'll come to your home page. From here, you can see information for yourself or information for your team. As you can see, Actus is designed in modules. I'm showing you all of the modules here. You would only see the modules relevant to the package that you've chosen. Our Engage and our Empower option have more modules available. The system itself is very intuitive. If we look at the objectives, you can see here straight away a RAG status of where your objectives are and what the objective is, your progress, a target date, and this target date might want to be set annually, quarterly, monthly. You can view your objectives. Equally, you can view any comments or any milestones against those specific objectives. When you add your objective, you can see here, there's that reminder to keep those objectives smart. You can add in there any particular milestones. You can also attach or upload any documents to support those particular objectives. And then there's completion comments by both the employee and the manager. Once those objectives have been completed, they'll be on the system, ready and viewable at any time. You can just simply select the date range and it will show you those objectives. Everything is date and time stamped, so there is a full audit trail within there. What supports these objectives is one-to-one meetings. And in terms of the one-to-one meetings, let's take a look at an example here. You can just select from the drop down the type of one-to-one. Is it virtual? Is it telephone? We have predetermined templates that you will be able to use, and you can set up a date, a time, a duration. System also gives you the flexibility to make it a reoccurring, for example, a monthly one-to-one. Actus is linked to Outlook, so there will be email reminders. In terms of your agenda items, you have the ability to move them in order of importance or delete them. As you can see here, as with other sections of the system, you can upload any attachments to support those one-to-one information. Everything then is date and time stamped, and you'll always see it. And if I look at the objectives here, I can see on a RAG status the progress of my particular objectives or my one-to-ones. Finally, we come to the appraisals. In terms of the appraisal, again, we have predetermined templates which you can use. And if we drill down into this appraisal, we can see a date on it. We can see that the objectives have pulled through. When we look at the actual appraisal form, the employee fills it in, the manager fills it in, there's overall comments, and it's signed off. And again, at any time, somebody can go and view the appraisals that they have within the system. Furthermore, we have simplistic reporting. This reporting can be done as either a graphical or a data report. If we just look at the data report, you can add in the predetermined information, business area, manager, And then if you search, it brings up that information and you have the option to export it to standard formats, as you can see there. If we were to look at the appraisal report on a graphical basis, again, you put your criteria in and you can see that. So as a manager, you would only see your employees for your business area. And then if you were to click into that, it shows you the name of the actual employee. Actus itself, as I said, is modular, and there are further modules available dependent on the package that you purchase. You have development. From here, you can add in the development, any CPD points if required. This is particularly useful if you also have a development need or a training that has to be done annually. It could be something related to health and safety or fire safety. That can be logged with the date, and there's a record there to show who has completed that information. Furthermore, within our Empower package, we also provide the option for career aspirations. Simply, the employee chooses where they are, their aspiration, and what their primary motivator is. Fill in the information, and that is saved, and that can be reviewed at the point that you may go through the appraisals or when you're going through one-to-ones. In terms of some of the other options, one of the things that our Empower package has is 360 survey. This enables it to be driven by either the manager, by HR, or the employee. We have predetermined templates, but there is a degree of customization that you can have as well. You also have the option for recognition to give recognition to anyone within the organization, not just your immediate team or your manager. Finally, we have a further package that we offer, which can be bought as an extra along with the Actus Edge. And that's the ability to have an HR database and an absence system. Within terms of our absence, it enables you to add, view, amend any absence. And that could include sickness, holidays, and it's already predetermined in terms of public holidays for the UK. From a manager perspective, they'll have a task here, and then they would go in, see the holiday request, and as a manager, I can then approve that. I hope you found that overview of Actus Edge useful. Thanks for your time today.